Hello, today we will guide you through how to sell Canva templates on Payhip. In this walkthrough, you'll take a Canva design you've already created and turn it into a template your customers can access through Payhip. We'll generate a special template link in Canva, export a simple PDF, and then set up the product on Payhip so buyers automatically receive what they need. Start by opening the Canva design you want to sell as a template. With the design on screen, go to the Share button in the top right corner. In the Share panel, open the three dots menu to reveal more options, then choose the Template Link option. This creates a unique link that tells Canva to generate a fresh copy for anyone who opens it, so your original design stays safe and untouched. When the link is generated, copy it to your clipboard and keep it handy for later. Next, return to the main Share panel in Canva to export a simple companion file. Select Download. Open the File Type dropdown and choose PDF Standard. This format keeps file sizes small and preserves clickable links if you include them in your design. Click Download to save the PDF to your computer. Having a lightweight PDF is useful for customers who prefer a quick reference or for including a link within a simple document. Now switch over to Payhip from your dashboard. Open Products, then select Add New Product. Choose Digital Product as the product type. On the Upload screen, select Upload Product File. In this flow, instead of uploading a large file, you'll attach the Canva template via its link. Paste the template link you copied from Canva into the field provided, then select Insert Link. This tells Payhip to deliver that link to your customers after purchase, ensuring they can immediately access their own copy of the template. Finally, select Add Product to save your setup. That's the complete process. You opened your design in Canva, generated and copied a template link, exported a PDF standard for a lightweight companion file, and then created a digital product in Payhip that delivers the template link automatically. For best results, keep your Canva design organized and clearly labeled so customers can edit it easily once they access their copy. If you want, you can refine product details on Payhip, such as the title, description, and imagery, to better communicate what buyers receive. And when everything's ready, consider doing a quick check by opening the template link in a fresh browser session to confirm it creates a new, editable design. You're all set to start selling your Canva templates on Payhip.